Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got a brand new unboxing to share with you, and I have got a fruity edition of Asos beauty box. As always, if you're new to the Asos box, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it, but if you've seen it all before, I'll pop a timestamp down in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So Asos do monthly beauty boxes. It's not a subscription, so at the start of every month they release their boxes and you're able to see exactly what is inside it. So if it's a box that takes your fancy, you can get it, but if not, then you don't have to have it. Now, they usually come out around the first of the month, sometimes it's the second, and they usually sell out super fast. The cost of the box is £12, but we have had some boxes that have cost £10, and we do have sort of special boxes which cost £15. They are usually collaboration boxes with other brands like Pixie and Clinique and Bobbi Brown. Those boxes go super fast. Yeah, they go like within days, maybe 2 days or so. So as soon as the first comes along, I am on their website hourly, checking quickly, is the beauty box up? And I just type in beauty box in the search and it'll just come up. So as soon as I find out, or as soon as I hear from one of you lovely lot telling me that it's been released, I will put it up on my Facebook page and my Instagram page as well. And I'll put links to it so that you're able to go and take a look and see if it's a box that takes your fancy. I've just started this month popping it up on my community page on YouTube. I don't use that part of YouTube a lot, but because these boxes do sell out pretty quickly, and because deliveries at the moment are a little bit unpredictable, if you're waiting for me to unbox it, by the time I unbox it, it could be a chance that this box is sold out. So as soon as I put it up on Facebook and Instagram, I also to put it up on my YouTube community section. There are shipping costs, and I believe it's £3 unless you spend over, is it £25 on their website? Or you could do what I do. If you've been impressed with the Asos box for the last couple of months and you're thinking, yeah, it's definitely a box I want to keep my eye on because the boxes seem to be really good, then I pay £9.99 or 95 a year, and that entitles me to have free next day delivery. So for me, it's worth paying that. There's always discount codes on the Asos website, so if I can find any discount, then I'll pop them down below, and also links to the website. And because this box ships worldwide, I'll pop a link to deliveries and where they ship to, etc. down in the description. So underneath this video, see show more. If you click that, that'll bring a description and everything will be listed down there. So I think that's it. If I've missed anything out, I'll pop it down below. Let's get on to opening it up and showing you what I received. That's what it looks like. We've got a little card there, and it just gives you a bit of information about the products and the theme. And here it is. You can see something rather large, but yeah. Sneak peek. So the theme is fruity, and it says here, summer is just around the corner, and this month we're taking things back to nature with our fruity face and body box. And then it goes on to telling you about the products, but it doesn't go into detail and it doesn't give you prices and things. So all the products that you find in the Asos beauty boxes, you can actually purchase on their website. So I'll have a look through, and if I can find them, I'll pop them down in the description if you're interested in like taking a look at individual products, just to see if the box is worth it for you or not. So the big item then in the box, and we have got a Garnier Ultimate Blends Nourishing Hair Food, and this is banana and shea. Massive pot. How much we got here? 390 mils. It's vegan, biodegradable formula, no silicons, for a natural feel. They have plant oils, and it's dermatologically tested. It can be used as a conditioner on wet hair to instantly nourish and detangle hair without weighing down, or it can be used as a mask on wet hair. Leave for 3 minutes and rinse out to leave hair feeling intensely nourished and beautifully shiny. Or it can be used as a leave-in conditioner on wet hair or dry hair. Apply a small amount to lengths and leave hair irresistibly soft and beautifully healthy. Now I just want to sniff. That's the first thing I want to do. Oh my gosh, it just smells like sweets. It just smells like sweets, like a sweetie banana milkshake. There, gotta be careful, don't want it to pour out. Is it likely to? No, it's really nice and thick. That is gorgeous. That is really lovely. I'm more likely to use that as a hair mask because my hair's quite thin, quite fine, so it's definitely wouldn't use it as a leave-in conditioner. It might be a little bit heavy for my hair for an actual conditioner, but I'll give it a go anyway. Definitely use it as a hair mask. So there's that. Next got a product by Elemis, and this is Superfood Blackcurrant Jelly Exfoliator, and this is 15 mils. I've tried this before and it's really lovely. Really, really nice. This range is gorgeous. It just says here, use daily, dampen the skin and gently massage, exfoliator in light circular motions, remove with warm water and a dark cloth. Tiny, tiny bit, just to show you what it looks like there. Can you see? You can see all the bits in there. So there's that. Next we've got a product by Origins, and this is Drink Up Intensive Overnight Hydrating Mask with avocado and glacier water, and this again is 15 mils. I'm not sure if I've had this before. It sounds absolutely wonderful, doesn't it? I really, really like this brand. The more products I try from this brand, I am really, really impressed. Twice a week or as desired, gently massage onto skin at bedtime and tissue off. That's all it says. Cream there. Oh, that's gorgeous. What is it? Avocado and glacier water. I wouldn't say it smelled like any of those. It just smells like mangoes or something. Oh, that is lovely. That is really nice. So there's that. Next I got a product by Ciaté London, and this is a watermelon burst hydrating primer. We've got 10 mils here. So, what's it say? See, these clear things, I can't read them. It just says cruelty free and vegan, and it doesn't tell you anything about it. Does it say anything on the card? To up your makeup game, apply Ciaté Watermelon Primer before your foundation, and your skin will stay hydrated while your makeup lasts longer like magic. It's a very liquidy primer. It's just like applying a water onto your hands. No, I can't smell it. It doesn't smell of watermelons. Oh, it does when I sniff it here. So it's a hydrating primer. So there's that. And lastly, we got a lemon face mask, and this is a brightening face mask by Tonymoly. Lemon mask makes dull and dark skin look radiant. It's tear open and apply to face, leave on for 20 to 30 minutes and then remove. I'm obsessed. I just really want to rip that open and sniff it. I love lemons. I am absolutely obsessed with lemons. Oh, I can't wait to give that a go. But in all honesty, I don't know, I just think, is that gonna like burn my face? So those are all the products, so I'll just gather them all up. So 5 items in the box. There's always 5 items in the box, and this box cost £12. We got a full-size Garnier hair mask. We got a full-size Tonymoly sheet mask. We got little minis here. So we got an Elemis exfoliator. We've got a night cream by Origins, and we've got a primer by Ciaté London. I really like this box. I really, really like it. I love the theme. I think it's brilliant. We've got some amazing brands here as well. Now, I'm really chuffed with it. I do think it's a really, really nice box. I can't wait to try this cream. It just smells absolutely gorgeous. But yeah, really chuffed this month. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Do you think it's worth £12, or do you think, nah, it's not a box for you? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and as always, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.